Day.
Hispanic Heritage Month, was born in León, Guanajuato, Mexico, and immigrated to the United States as a young boy. At the tender age of 9, he and his family left their native land of Mexico and settled in the Pilsen neighborhood on Chicago's Lower West Side. Finding himself in his new home, he arduously worked his way through high school and college, graduating from Jones College Prep and going on to continue his studies at DePaul University. After earning his bachelor's degree, he furthered his education by earning his master's degree at Roosevelt University. Just like most college graduates, this ambitious young man found a good job and began a career as a financial analyst working for Commonwealth Edison. But he never forgot about where he came from or the struggles that he had overcome to achieve his goals. A giving person known to selflessly dedicate his time, energy, and talents to volunteer at church and in the community, he decided to leave the private sector and give back in a more profound and dynamic way. As an adult, he went back to school to study education. After completing his coursework at National Louis University, this successful financial analyst and moonlighting musician landed a job right here at Joliet Central High School as a bilingual math teacher, helping transform the lives of young people who deal with the very same struggles he had as a newcomer to the United States. A true hero, a mover and shaker, and person who has left a positive mark on the lives of all who spend time with him, it is with great pleasure that I recognize our very own, the one and only Mr. Luis Medina. If you see Mr. Medina today, tell him to keep up the good work. Thank you, Steelman.